In this particular episode on Tech with Ninana, I am going to teach you how to create an account on HeyLink. Yes, HeyLink. So you first search for or visit the website heylink.me, and that is it. As you see, explore the site, get to know what the site has to offer, among others. As it loads, I have a look around and get to know what they can offer me before I create the account. So from here, I click on start for free. Yes, it's free to create an account. So we are going to start for free. And that's it. You see, you can sign up with your email or other platforms. And you can also sign up with your username and password. That's what I'm going to use. So I first enter my email. Yeah, that's my email that I am typing in on the screen. Then I enter my username, Ninana. Then no, let me do it, Ninana GH. Yes, so Ninana GH. And I input the password of my choice. Then I click sign up. After that, yes, I make sure the password is safe enough before I click sign up. It loads after that, as you can see, and boom, that is it. But before everything has to be set, you have to confirm or verify your email. So from here, I log into my email and follow the steps that I was told. So let's head up to my email, that is Gmail. Yes, take your time and follow the tutorials so you can do it as you try. So I search in the particular email I used to create the account for the confirmation. So there we go, and that's the confirmation email. So I click it, open, and from here I confirm the account creation, and I have it all by myself. If you love this content, I suggest you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments. HeyLink can be used to make money, so follow me for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech with Ninana, and click on the bell for all notifications. See you soon.